ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। Namaskar. I welcome you all to the second episode of Explore Yoga. In the first episode, we have discussed about the meaning and types of asanas. Today, we will learn about the light yogic joint movements. Prior to start the practice of asanas, some light yogic joint movements must be practiced. It will bring flexibility in our body, joints, and would prepare our body for various level of asanas. Light yogic joint movements are classified into 4 parts. Light yogic movements of legs, arms, neck, and spine. Today we will discuss about the light yogic movements of legs. Keep in your mind as a precaution, if a person has some problems in his legs, then he should consult some yoga expert before he begins these yogic leg movements. First of all, we will see how to sit in the posture of base position. Sit on the yoga mat in such a way that your legs are straight. Keep your feet slightly apart. Place your palms behind the hips, back, neck and head are straight. Lean back slightly, taking the support of arms. Close your eyes gently and relax yourself. Now we will practice toe bending exercise movement. Join your heels and toes. Move your toes upward and downward slowly. Ankles should remain in a motionless position. Repeat it 10 to 12 times. Inhale while the toes are moving upward and exhale while the toes are moving downwards. Hold for few seconds in each position. Concentrate on breath, mental counting, and on stretching of toes. Joints of toes become flexible. Return to the prior position and take rest for few seconds. The second light yogic movement will belong to ankle bending, known as Gulf Naman Kriya in Hindi. You are already sitting in a base position, keeping the feet slightly apart. Now join your heels and toes. Move your both the feet backward and forward, bending them from the ankle joints. Stretch your feet forward to touch the floor, and after that draw them back towards the knees. Repeat it 10 times. Inhale while you are stretching the feet backward. Exhale while stretching them forward. Retain your awareness on your breaths and stretching. In this practice, ankle joints become flexible and blood circulation improves in leg area. Return to the prior position and take rest for a while. Now, ankle rotation. Remain in base position, relax your body, take position for ankle rotation. Join your heels and toes, keep your legs straight, slowly rotate both the feet 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale while moving upward and exhale while moving downwards. Concentrate on mental counting and ankle rotation. Ankle rotation becomes flexible. Calf muscles are also benefited by this practice. Return to the prior position, that is base position. Keep slightly apart both the feet. Take rest for few seconds. Knee bending, known as Janu Naman. You are sitting in the base position. Join your heels and toes. Stretch your toes outward. Bend your right leg. Place your fingers under the thighs. Interlock the fingers. Bring your right thigh close to your chest. Straighten your leg while exhaling. While inhaling, again bend your right leg and bring it near to your chest. Repeat it 10 times. Do not allow to touch the heel to the floor. Now you will repeat it from the left leg. Join your heels and toes, stretch your toes outward, bend your left leg, place your hands under the thigh, interlock the fingers and start. While bending leg, thigh must touch the chest. While you are straightening the leg, do not allow heel to touch the floor. While inhaling, you are bending the leg. While exhaling, you are straightening the leg. Return to the prior position. Take rest for few seconds. This exercise affects the thighs muscles, abdominal muscles, knee joints. Now circular movement of knee. Join your heels and toes, stretch toes outward, Place your both the hands on the knees. Bend your right leg. Place your hands under the thigh and interlock the fingers. Now rotate your right leg, giving a large circular movement as large as possible. Repeat it 10 times clockwise. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. Repeat it anti-clockwise. Ligaments of the knees become stronger. Thighs muscles becomes healthier. Now return to the prior position, and now we will repeat from the left leg. 10 times clockwise start and 10 times anti-clockwise. Knee joints becomes flexible. Return to the prior position. Hip rotation. Remain in the base position for some time while you are taking rest. Now take position for the next movement. Join your heels and toes. Bend your right leg. Place the right foot on the left thigh. Hold the right knee with the right hand and right toes with the left hand. Rotate your right knee in a circular movement 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale while moving upward, exhale while moving downwards. Concentrate on breaths, mental counting and rotation of hip joint. Return to prior position. Now repeat it from the left leg. 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Hip joints becomes flexible. It is useful in making Padmasana. Return to the prior position, that is base position. Lean back slightly, close your eyes gently, feel relaxed. Mentally feel the effects of the light joint movements. The last joint movements of legs of today is half butterfly asana, Ardh Titli asana, known in Hindi. Join your heels and toes, bend your right leg, place the right foot on the left thigh. Hold the toes of right foot with the left hand and right knee with the right hand. While inhaling, bring your right knee towards the chest, and while exhaling, push your right knee downward. Try to touch the floor and slowly repeat it 10 times. Concentrate on the breaths, counting and movements of hip joints. Hip joints becomes flexible. The same movement you will repeat from the left leg. Return to the base position, take rest. These were the light yogic leg movements which must be practiced on our daily basis prior to start asanas. In the next episode, we will learn about light yogic joints of arms. You all are requested to share the video to the maximum extent for public welfare and subscribe our channel also. Thank you very much. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi.